In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and drop deals in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Pipedrive and click on the Deals section, which you'll find on the left sidebar of your dashboard. This is your hub for managing all your sales deals, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you're in the Deals section, you'll notice some tabs at the top left of the screen. These tabs allow you to choose how you want to manage your deals, and it's really important to select the view that works best for you. You have a couple of options here. The first option is the pipeline view. This organizes your deals in columns based on their sales stage. Think of stages like qualification, proposal, and so on. It really gives you a clear visual representation of where each deal stands in your sales process. Alternatively, you can switch to the forecast view. This view organizes your deals by their expected close dates, grouped month by month. It's particularly handy when you're trying to project future sales or align your team's efforts with upcoming expectations. Now let's talk about how to actually move your deals around within these views. If you're in the pipeline view, moving your deals by stage is a breeze. Simply click, and hold on a deal card that you want to shift. With your mouse button still pressed down, drag the card horizontally into the column for a different stage, say from qualification to proposal. Once you've positioned the card in the appropriate column, just release your mouse button. Voila! Pipedrive will automatically update that deal's stage without any extra steps from you. It's as easy as that. Now, if you're working in the forecast view and want to move a deal based on timing, the process is quite similar. Click and hold the deal card again, just like before. This time, drag the card into a different month's column. Once you find the right spot, let go of your mouse button. Instantly, Pipedrive will adjust the forecasted close date of that deal to match the month you've moved it into. This feature can significantly help you align your sales expectations with reality so you don't miss any opportunities. And that's really all there is to it. With these simple drag-and-drop mechanics, managing your sales deals in Pipedrive becomes not only straightforward, but also very efficient. So, if you're looking to streamline your sales processes, remember to utilize these views and dragging techniques. They can save you time and help keep your team focused on the right deals at the right time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Pipedrive and enhancing your sales strategies. Thanks.